What's up, y'all? It's your girl Vivian, aka Curly Rose, back at again with another video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'm basically just gonna be showing you how I achieve this look. I'm calling it like an inverted eyeshadow. I don't really know what it's called, but I thought it was so cute, and I saw somebody named Jamari, I believe, do it on Instagram. Her information will be right here, and I just thought it was so fire, so I had to try it out. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this look. We're all bored in the house. Run up the views, run them up, run them up, run them up. No, but really. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for your support. Thank you so much for just always coming back to your girl. But you see, I'm here to stay. Consistency at its finest. Okay, period. These eyelash extensions really gotta go. They're bothering me. Also, major news. I have been using lashes from this brand called Dodo Lashes. I'm sure you guys have already heard of them before. I've been using them for a while. Well, I actually now have a discount code, and it is Curly Rose. So if you guys want to receive some money off, just go ahead and use Curly Rose at checkout. Most of the lashes range from about $8 to $12, and they actually just came up with, or they didn't come up with it, but they actually just launched a warehouse in the US. It used to be, I think, in Korea or something before, so now the lashes will be getting to us faster, and shipping is free after you spend $30. So make sure you have $30 before you apply the coupon, like maybe like 33, 35, and then apply the coupon, and you still should get free shipping. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I actually bought some new lashes from them. I just haven't used them yet or promoted them fully because I still have on my lash extensions, but once I get rid of my lash extensions, then you'll see me wear them more. But I literally love the brand. I'm not just saying that. So I'm really excited to announce that because I've literally been using the lashes for like the entire time I've been on YouTube. So make sure you guys support so I can continue to be a brand ambassador for them. Shout out to Dodo Lashes, Miss Lucy. Thank you so much for believing in me and giving me this opportunity. I really appreciate it, and hopefully you guys enjoy this video. So, how are ya? I'm quarantined, and I got a lot going on, okay? Anyway, so I'm gonna be using the 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐂𝐒𝐿 base. I got hair on this. What the heck? It looks like this. My nails are trash, so I haven't done them yet. So it looks like this, and I've never used this before. I've seen a lot of people use it. So the concealer brush that I always use has like a mixture of all of the concealers. So I'm gonna be like Mitchell, and I'm just gonna tap this in. Don't know if this is gonna do anything, but we'll see if this base helps. I don't know. I'm not gonna set it, so I hope my eyeshadow comes out fire because I'm doing, ooh, yes, period. Hold on, who is she? Literally, do y'all see that flawless base? Like 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐿e's base come through. In order to achieve this look, I'm gonna take the Morphe James Charles palette. I'm gonna take this yellow, and I'm gonna take this purple. This eyebrow is the better eyebrow, so I'm gonna do purple on this side and yellow on that side and get started. I'm gonna be taking a M443 by Morphe and a Morphe Y18. Get my little handy dandy, you feel me? My little handheld. I know I'm gonna have to pack this on, but let's see. Maybe I need a different brush. I think this is, okay, no, never mind. Oh, yes. I'm so excited. I thought this was gonna be trash. So with this yellow, what's happening is it's applying, ooh, not in the brow, it's applying bright, and then it kind of like goes muted or whatever. I don't know how to, like, what am I trying to say? Who knows? It oxidizes, but not really. So all I just did was pack on the purple. What am I saying? This is yellow. I packed on the yellow, and then I'm just turning the brush, and I'm just blending out the edges. So I really didn't even do too much extra to it. I probably will fix it a little bit later on, but for right now, I'm gonna just let it chill out where it's doing. What am I talking about? I'm gonna just let it chill out for now because I feel like I'm gonna blend off my eye and I don't got time for that, okay? So now I'm gonna take, oh, I didn't even know what this shade is called in here. That was the shade B in the James Charles palette, and I'm taking the shade Single in the same palette, which is the purple. And I'm taking the Y18 by Morphe, and I'm just gonna blend out the 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐿 really quick again. And I'm just going to pack on the purple. And I'm just gonna keep packing it on, and then I'm gonna do the same thing, turn my brush and just diffuse out the edges.
Perfect.
Okay, so just to diffuse out the purple, I'm taking a Morphe M505 because I feel like I brought it up a little too high. And I'm just diffusing the edges. And then I'm gonna take a M504 by Morphe and just blend out the edges on this side. By the way, both of these are clean. Okay, so back with my face complexion products. So complexion, my face, I don't know. Okay, so for primer, I use the Hydro Grip Primer by Milk Makeup. I already used this. Hopefully my makeup does not come out trash, because when I use this primer, my makeup does not look right. I don't know how everyone else is having like flawless, I was gonna say flawless beat, but I guess that's kind of right. I don't know, but yeah, it never worked out for me. So we'll see. If it looks trash, that's why. For foundation, I'm gonna take the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation in the shade 350. I used the Fenty. I don't know what happened in this region. Yeah, so that's that on that. But I forgot to color correct, so I'm just gonna use the Maybelline Master Camo. Just a little bit of this, not too much. And I'm just gonna blend it out with the sponge that's already on here. I usually don't color correct, but sometimes it's just needed because I end up having to edit it out on my photos if I feel like it. So I do need to use color corrector, but sometimes I don't be having time for all that, so yeah. Then for the concealer, I'm taking the Fenty Beauty 340 concealer, and this concealer is a little light for me, so I'm gonna mix it with another concealer. I'm just gonna use the ColourPop Medium Dark 36, just literally a little bit of it. It literally looks like the exact same shade. While that's doing that, I'm gonna take for contour the stick foundation in the shade Earth 7. I believe it's Iman Cosmetics. I could be wrong, but I think that's what it is. So yeah, my contour is like hard to blend out. I'm probably gonna have to go back through again and blend some more, but I just took some setting spray because that foundation stick is kind of old, and I just went in with a Real Techniques Expert Face brush. For the nose contour, I'm gonna take the Morphe E62, and it's just an angled brush. This is literally like my favorite brush to just really get in the crevices of this like eyebrow area and just give me an airbrushed nose contour. Then sometimes it's like too, I don't know, like harsh, so I just go over it with a foundation brush and boom. Okay, so now that the concealer has been sitting for a while, I'm just gonna take a Morphe M173. Okay, I know it looks crazy. It looks crazy. Then I'm just gonna take the same, I'm gonna take the foundation brush I use, which is the Real Techniques buffing brush, and I'm gonna buff the edges. It looks crazy right now because this concealer is really too bright, but that's okay because of the powder that I have. I'm gonna take the Sacha Buttercup and set it Okay, so for the lower lash line, I'm gonna take the yellow over here and the purple over here. Finishing up the face, I'm gonna take the contour shade in the Black Radiance palette, and I'm gonna take the Real Techniques contour brush and just do a light layer of contour. Then just to set the face, looking airbrushed, I'm just going to cover my eyes and just set. Okay, for mascara, I'm going to take the only mascara I pretty much use, and that's the Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara. And I'm just going to coat my bottom lashes. This is how the eyes are looking. This is literally so bomb. For the inner corner though, I'm going to take this shade. What shade is this? Called Mermaid Pearl in the Becca Ocean Jewels eye palette. And this is the only like iridescent shadow. This is the only iridescent shadow that I have found that will literally match to whatever you put underneath it. It literally is just so like look at that. Like, do y'all see that? Like, literally straight fire. For a highlight, I'm gonna take the ColourPop Some Like It Hot. I literally memorized this. This is literally what I usually use, or what I used to use every day for highlighter. It's like literally airbrush. Y'all see that? No matter how you apply it, it's like a putty, so it just applies effortlessly, I feel like. I'm just gonna go over the highlighter with a foundation brush just to like diffuse it a little bit, because sometimes it can apply too intense. For lip liner, I'm just taking the BFF3 by ColourPop. I knew I was gonna break it. I knew I was. That's why I was applying it the way I was applying it. Then I'm gonna take the Quickie by ColourPop, just a little bit on the center. Blend that on out. I'm gonna take the NYX Madeline. Thank you guys for tuning in. This is the end of the video. This is the finished look. This is how I'm looking. Snatched. Beautiful. If you guys want to try this look out, make sure you tag me on Instagram. Follow me down below. I'll have it linked in the description. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully I will see you guys in the next one. Curly Rose is out. Bye. I'm honestly feeling this look. I didn't think I would, but like, get at me. Hello. Ring ring. Hello, who is that? Not with this on my hand.